Morning students, welcome you once again in Alchemy online tutorials. In last class we have gone through the properties of maths chapter number 3 addition. The properties that we have understood, the concepts we have cleared in your mind. So further we are going to solve the exercise based on the same properties of addition. So in the chapter number 3, question number 4, which is based on the properties of addition. Filling the blanks using the addition property. So our first blank is, now here you can see question is given, we have to find out the answer. There are two numbers 167 plus 761. So this is our question. Now if we are moving forward to the answer, here we can see which number from this 761. Which number is not there? Which is 167. So the first property of addition is what? If we change the place of the number, whether we will keep it up or down or we will group away, so the answer will always remain the same. So as here you can see that 167 plus 761, the answer will be same. If I will plus 761 plus 167, then also the answer will remain the same. So this is our first property. When we are changing the number, there is no change in the answer. Now property number 2, where we are adding the 3 addends and doing the sum. Now here you can see in the question there are 3 addends, 189, 167 plus 654, right? 3 addends are there. Now in the answer side, 2 addends are already given. We have to find out the remaining addend which is from the question. Now first number is 189. That is already given. Dash blank is given. Now last one is given 654. So here you can see that in the bracket 167 is there and 654 is there. Where here is 654 is outside. So this number is also there in the answer. This number is also there. So which number is remaining? Yes, 167. So in the 3 digit also, whether we are grouping the first addend, second addend or third addend, if we are interchanging the place, there is no change in the answer. The answer will always remain the same. So this is the first property and second property. Now moving forward to the third property, which is adding of 1. If we are adding the digit 1 to the any number, the answer is the successor of the number. Now my number is 99. Okay. 99. What is the successor of 99? After number of 99, after 99, 100. So if we are adding 99 plus 1, it means 100. Property number 3 of addition. Now moving forward to property number 4, which is 789 plus 0. Adding any number, adding 0 to any number, the answer will itself only. 789 plus 0. So answer is 789. Whenever you are adding 0 to any number, the answer is the number itself. So I hope now the properties concept is very clear. Now moving forward, after this properties, we will clear some points how to solve the problem sums and the story sums. Which points are to be taken care while doing the problem sums. So come, let's take a look in our textbook. Now this filling the blanks using the properties of addition we have already solved on the board. Moving forward, as I have already told you, we will see the number story based on addition. means problem sums and story sums we can also say. Now we will start reading the part. In our day-to-day life, we come across the various situations where we use the concept of addition. While solving number story based on addition, remember the following words which indicate the addition needs to be done. Some of the words are there which we have to keep in mind while solving the addition. Here you can see the word total, together, in all together, and sum of. The meaning of all these words are the same. Total means same, together means come all together, sum of, in all, it's all the meaning is the same, which is known as addition or plus we can say. Now, as while solving these sums, these words we have to keep in mind and we have to find out whether the problem sum is of addition or subtraction. So here you can see the example number 12, which is 26 students from the section A, 22 students from the section B, and 15 students from the section C. Grade 2 visited a botanical garden. As we are going to the field trip, there is the same example of class ABC from grade 2. Find the total number of students who visited in the botanical garden. As we are also going in the field trip, your ma'am is also counting the number of students in a bus, right? Have you noticed it? Yes, I hope you have already noticed it about the same. Your ma'am is counting the total number of students in a bus. So here you can see, as we are writing the statement solution, here you can see number of students who went from section A. How many students are there from section A? 26. Section B, the same statement we are writing, as the statement also we are writing from the question only. We are doing the underline. Number of students who went from section B, that is 22. Number of students who went from the section C, which is 15. Now here we have written 100 tens and ones. We have to do the addition of the total number of students, those who ever visited. From A, 26, here you can see tens and ones column where they have written 26, then 22 plus 15. So the answer of the one side, it came 13. So what they have done? They have done forward number up, backward number down. So 1 up and 3 down. And on the 10 side, the answer come 6. So the answer is 63. Total number of students who visited the botanical garden is 63. Thus, 63 students of grade 2 visited to the botanical garden. So this type of more story sums we will learn on the board, and we will do the example for the same. Now after seeing the example of the problem sums, example number 12, now in the next class we will solve the same example on the board. And thank you students, and have a nice day.